Testing 1, 2, 3. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Afrikani, and today we have the technical session number 145. Our subject is road shoulders. So, before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the video in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So, road shoulder is a major part of the road, which is it should be compacted during the uh, extension of the each pavement, like the backfilling and formation level and subgrade level and subbase, road base, whatever it is layer coming, it should be considered in the uh, final finish level and the width also accordingly. As the road workmanship for the road is going on, the road shoulder should be compacted. And later, once it is completed, then the slope cut will be make the recompaction to the slope area, and after the slope area, it should be tested by a provision of the deep test, compaction test, which should be make the deep test according to the approved method statement and the provision of engineering approval. It should be considered. The other test, compaction test for the subgrade and the subbase and road base and whatever the pavements, it should be compacted during the workmanship of the particular sequence. So the road shoulder also it is a safety factor, and it's also give a regular guidance to the traffic flow and whatsoever. The term road shoulder refers to a graded or the surface area of the roadway on the sides and the adjacent to the pavement, which gives the lateral supports to the road surface and can be used by the traffic in an emergency. So there is a question, what are the benefits of the road shoulder? It's reduce the runoff load and also helps on the crashes. Wider shoulders allow the vehicles to pull off a road emergency situation and also have a clearance from the throughout the traffic. However, the crashes and is occur while the attempting the rejoin to the traffic. So sealed shoulder also provides a safe cycling surface and it can be marked by a bicycle line, but it depends upon the design provision and whatsoever it is. So all the standards, relevant standards, either it is BS or ASTM or ASTO, and whatever the standards are going on, it should be considered as, and all the relevant approval, it should be considered of the complete workmanship during the workmanship and of the road and all the standard and international provision are the same and which should be followed. So there is a provision of the hard shoulder also. What is the hard shoulder? We will discuss briefly. The hard shoulder is also called an emergency breakdown lane by the verge of the road or the motorway. Or, it is separated by the solid white line and allow the vehicles to stop safely in an emergency. So, what are the difference between the road shoulder and the hard shoulder? The hard shoulder is a hardened strip of land that runs along the edges of the motorway or the roads to the left of the left-hand lane or the right-hand lane or the traffic lane, also known as A1 line. The shoulder of the road is also lane of the edge of the road. The most roads without pavements and the shoulder is a strip of grass or the head groove. So, what is the soft shoulder also? The definition of the soft shoulder sign mean that the lane of the shoulder running along the sides of the road is made of the gravel, packed dirt, or the combination or the both. So, soft shoulder signs warns motorists and the roads unstable to the situation of the driving, and it's also a guideline to the traffic wherever it is. So the road shoulder also the final handing over and all the uh, punch list or the snagging and the de-snagging of this area also, it should be considered as a part of the road, and it should be carried out according the normal commissioning situation or as built and whatsoever it is. So this was the briefing about the road shoulder, and in next video we will see each other with another subject. So thank you very much and have a nice day.